Top 5 reasons to start programming with Python in 2024. Python is an in-demand accessible programming language with an active, ever-growing community of users. For anyone looking to switch careers into the tech world through coding, Python is the great place to start with. It's relatively easy to learn and incredibly versatile, and it's used in variety of fields from data science, machine learning and game design. What is Python? Python is a general purpose programming language, which means that unlike JavaScript, HTML and CSS, it can be used in applications beyond web development. Through its being around 30 years, it has recently become one of the most popular programming languages, and its popularity continues to grow. Reason number 1, Python is the beginner friendly. Well, learning Python for starters or the beginners, the learning language is an excellent place to begin with. If you are new to coding, one of the biggest hurdles for aspiring coders is the daunting task of learning a new language that looks nothing like what they are reading or writing. However, Python features English syntaxes and was designed to be concise and easy to read, all of which makes it more accessible to first-time coders than many other languages. Python is also easy to learn because it is interpreted programming language. This means that you can run each line of code once you have finished writing it, allowing you to immediately check it and make adjustments if needed. A big help for those who are still learning and a time saver for coders everywhere. Reason number 2, Python is versatile. Python is highly versatile that you can use it for both small and complex tasks, and it is used across many different industries, from its more common application in data science and software engineering to environments like mobile app developments, artificial intelligence and machine learning. This multifaceted use is due to the wide array of Python libraries available, over 100,000 to be specific. Libraries are collections of pre-written codes in the particular language that anyone can access, meaning that once you have learned the basics of Python, you will likely be able to understand and use a huge amount of codes developed already by other programmers. Another important aspect of Python's versatility is its ability to run with other programming languages. A few common examples Python implemented with other languages are Jython, Python integrated with Java, and CPython, Python integrated with C. Lastly, the Python offers a cross-platform functionality, meaning that it will be function properly whether you are working with Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. Reason number 3, Python developers roles are high in demand. Python developer roles are high in demand that as many major companies including Dropbox, Netflix and Facebook use it. Google has even made it its own Python style guide. Python developer jobs are also comparatively lucrative. According to Indeed, Python developers earn an average salary over $100,000 per annum, which makes it the most programming language behind Ruby, C++ and JavaScript. Reason number 4, Python boasts a supportive community. When you are learning a new programming language, particularly after you have completed your bootcamp course or degree, you will want to feel confident that you have a community of programmers you can turn to with questions when have an issue or comes up with an issue. One major benefit of Python is its robust and supportive online community, as evidenced by 1.5 million GitHub repositories. That makes Python's platform's second largest community. Python also has its own network of robust community forums where users can discuss everything from workflow to software development, and Python users often organize meetups around the world to build community and knowledge bases. Reason number 5, Python is the fastest growing programming language. When it comes to Python's popularity and its growth rate, the numbers don't lie. According to the PYPL, Popularity of Programming Language Index, Python is the most searched programming language on the internet, and that doesn't look like it will be changing anytime soon. According to Stack Overflow, Python is also the fastest growing programming language, and TIOBE gave it the 2020 Programming Language of the Year award as it gained popularity faster than any other languages. Part of this acclaim is due to the Python's usefulness in the world of data science, as fields like machine learning, data modeling, and AI grow. So too does the demand for Python related skills. All of this means that if you are looking for a new programming language to learn or looking to transition into the field of programming, Python is the wise choice to go with.